Hey, welcome back everybody to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo and Jen. Jen's actually on a different location filming today, and I'm here in the studio finishing up our series on pitches for your company, like the elevator pitch, like who. So what do you do? That kind of if you get stuck. So we went ahead and built an assistant to go ahead and throw out a pitch for you. So that's what we're going to do today, and then we're going to go back into since we're done with that, we're going to do the pitch and then do a presentation for your customer. So we're going to wrap it up with today with the event planner. A friend of ours asked us to do one for her, so we're going to go ahead and do this today so we can show her the recording. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into here. So just create me a pitch for a small business. So it's going to say, what would you like to do? Blue collar, what is it? Okay, so event planner with a wedding chapel. Okay. So let's go and click that. So transforming your daydream into reality or event planning services with boom, a little bit long. So what I want to do is I like short stuff. So let's just sit down, create it or chop it down as much as we can. And then I'm going to do a nice short one with 3 variations, which is D. Okay, with a little more catchy. So dream weddings realized. Let's move too fast here. I can't write. Say I do to perfection. Our chapel and planning makes your wedding dreams a reality. That's pretty cool. Unforgettable memories or moments made easy. Our wedding chapel and planning to create your perfect day. So I like this one here. So that's the one we're going to use. Now I'm going to jump over to Gamma. Gamma is where we create out all our slides, and it's amazing. It's so fast. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in there, and this is the most popular one that we use. We'll go into all the other ones here, and how to use all these down here. This is what we did a little bit ago in our school. So it just links can be down below. It's a community that we've developed that we're going to invite you to. It's a free community where we're going to show you how to do all this, all the way down to the nitty gritty, the change out pages. Right now I'm just going over the surface of it, but in the school we're going to go ahead and go deeper into this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the presentation, right? So this is what we're going to describe. Let me go grab really quick. Okay, actually it was made easy. Say I do. There we go. All right, let's go back in here and describe what you want. So we're going to do, let's see, the event planner with a small wedding chapel. Oops. All right. So let's go ahead and hit generate my outline. So it's going to throw an outline for you. There you go. Introduction page, our small little wedding intimate charming chapel, boom, 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 boom. So up here, we're going to go ahead and put the pitch, the pitch for the elevator pitch there. We're going to keep it medium, and images, we're not going to do AI. We're going to do generate with web. But remember, when you change with web, we need to always use free community, okay? So what we're going to go ahead and do is hit continue. And here's the advanced mode, guys. We'll go deeper into this, but for now, it kind of, you have a card by card. Here's you could write for a business. Just get into a little bit deeper, all right? But what we're going to do is right now is we're just going to continue to create the slide deck, okay? And here's you get to pick the title or the backdrop, nice, pretty. So we're going to click on professional, right? So for a wedding chapel, let's do this one here. This is pretty snaz. So let's go ahead and hit generate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here real quick. And then as soon as it generates, or actually, let's hang tight. Let's not pause it. I'm going to show you how quick these slides, how it drums up. Now, Gamma uses AI, ChatGPT, and it's using So it uses the ChatGPT to pull up these the words, the background, everything generated for you. So I mean, look at some of these pictures, man. The one thing is let me show you when you get to these pictures here. Let me jump in here. That one's okay. That's a little blurry. But you see these dots right here? So it didn't generate the pictures how we asked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back in, and here's it. Say I do to perfection our chapel, and planning make your wedding dream reality, which is pretty cool. So in here, always want to change this to the name of your chapel or whatever. So we're gonna do sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Sorry. Oops. I can spell tonight. Okay. And then let's go ahead and change out some of these images. So for some reason, I didn't want to pull. So let's do free. A cool little chapel. Let's grab a fun little chapel. That was pretty cool. Check that out. Hopefully, if you're at the beach, that'd be a good one. Looks like a Hawaii. So let's just grab another one. A chapel that doesn't have a beach because who knows, right? Something simple. There we go. That's a pretty cool chapel, huh? So let's jump on in. Let's take that one. That's good. So let's keep rolling through here. So small chapel, intimacy. So let's jump here. Let's go to free to commercial use. Don't want to use pictures with faces. I know it's okay to, but just in case, who knows. So that's pretty cool. It's like an outside photo. I like that one. So wedding packages and price and pricing. Leave that alone. This is a pretty cool little picture here that it did, so we can leave that one there. This one I don't dig, man, because it's all like fuzzy and everything. So let's go back over here to accent. Let's do wedding. It's like an event space. Event spaces. Let's go wedding. Reception. Right? Back in the free. So here you go. This is pretty cool. Check this out. Let's do wedding reception with people in the background. Okay, let's go here. All right, let's take out the people. Let's just do wedding reception. Let's leave that there. Let's just go here. And here's the wedding reception. Let's see if there's a couple more in here. This one's pretty cool. That one's pretty nice. We can keep that one. So let's go ahead and what's this one here? Yeah, no, let's go with this one. All right, so we can keep that one. 10 years of experience. And you could change all this, guys, to whatever. And then in here, let's go and change this beautiful bride. Let's go grab here. So this is testimonials. So testimonial, let's use this here as a testimonial. Actually, let's go here just in case, free to use. A testimonial page. So this is where you can add like kind of one of your pictures that you have taken at the chapel, or if you've done something at the chapel. So let's just go ahead and grab. That one's fine. Let's just use this one. It's a fun little picture there. And then here's this destination wedding. Actually, you know what? Let's keep the flow. Kind of want happier looking people in here. Let's just leave it. All right, and there you go, guys. Now let's go to present. So this is you presenting to your customers or clients. Okay. Obviously, she's going to be using her own pictures, but say I do, and this is obviously not the name of her company and stuff. So just look how quick that was, guys. Done. I mean, it flies right through. It's amazing. All right. So again, I want to go ahead and go over this with you guys now. Join us in our community at school, where we go over this deep and change things out, put some slideshows in there, put some pictures, all that kind of stuff. It's this here Gamma is amazing. Okay. There's a paid version that we use obviously to generate the way it generates. But I think it's like 20 or $30. It's not that expensive. Kind of like we use ChatGPT 4, which we pay $20 for, which that all kind of incorporates together, right? So spend the money. It'll make your life a lot easier to do this in the future. Gamma is an amazing, amazing program, you guys. Amazing. So I want to say thank you for joining us tonight, or joining me tonight. And what we're going to do is I would love for you guys to go and click on that button down there, smash that like button. Also, just join us in our community so we can go over all this with you guys in a deeper thoughts, and in go dig deep into what other forms and formats that you can use. Again, thank you for joining Coffee Sometimes Tea. You guys have a great night. Thank you very much.